Welcome to SchedCheck. If you've made it this far, then that means you're ready to get started, and in order to do so, we have to make our first employee role. It is crucial that this is your first step because SchedCheck needs to know how your company is structured in order to give you the best usability. So let's create an employee role by clicking on the left-hand side navigation here. If you're on your mobile phone, simply swipe right and you'll see the employee role tab to click on right here. Here is the employee roles page where all of your created roles within your business will be displayed. Below is a list of SchedCheck's permissions that you can apply to each of your roles that you created. Permissions are simply other sections of SchedCheck that will allow your employees to have access to use and see. If you do not wish to have certain roles have access to certain permissions, then you can just leave them blank. You can always go back and add them in later. Now let's create a role. We'll call it Manager. So as you can see, we have created the manager role and they have access to all the permissions that SchedCheck has to offer. Once we have all of our roles created, it's time to send our invites to our staff. That is done by selecting the Send Invite tab on the left side navigation and it will bring you to this screen here. Adding your staff is very self-explanatory. You start with their full name and their birthday and their phone number and their employee role. So let's just go ahead and add in John Smith. Once you have invited all of your employees to join SchedCheck, you can check on their status through the Pending Invitations page, which is right below the Send Invite on the left side navigation. Here you can see who has yet to accept the invitation. I recommend letting your staff know to check their junk and spam folders if they have not received it. If you want to resend an invite or cancel an invite, it can be done by clicking the three dots on the right. And that's all you have to do to get started. If you feel like this was helpful to getting you going on SchedCheck, check out the other videos below or click the link in the description.